Hello everyone, welcome to back to How to Tuts, and in this video I'm gonna share with you how you can colorful make to send your friend in Google Chat. Okay, for example, if I write hi, how are you, and send, and if you want to make this color, then click here on the plus icon, this option, and click plus icon, and the last one format, click format. Then you'll see here also you can type. You should say hi, how are you, how are you. Then you should select all text and then click here a option. Here is you can see a, then click a. Hi, I just select one, select and click a, and then you'll see the color, and you can also make it bold, or you can change more color here and send, and it will be colorful. Okay friend, today is Noman. Thank you for watching this video.